If you got soul, if you got soul, if you got soul, then you're Superman.
Please let me get a little drunk of that funk, rabbit habitual ritual spunk. My junk pumps on a heartbeat, pumping your car seat. A star fleet full of chicken wings and dark meat. We spark heat right through our sheet. We kick up on malarkey. My biz is marquee. I'm starstruck. So put your song on the hutch. It's all crutch with much to go. Touch and go. Deep space soul, buddy.
An old soul, cold with mic control. Hold your mind as I slow the roll. Take a breath. The pole you feel is to know the whole. Desire abundant life, filled with a life that's full. Fully realized, manifest through steel eyes. Feel my passion, blasting all these real lies. Think about the times when the truth hasn't been told. You can lie to your mind, but you can never lie to your soul.
Listen up, party people, this is Sivion's year. To take my flow, wad it up and stick it right in your ear. This third rock is so weird, not quite sure that I'm clear. Turn my mic up so I can let this world know that I'm here. Deep Space 5, staring to the soul for truth. At Fred Bizzle's house, find me at the vocal booth. While cats are so untruthful to themselves and doomed, they call me fruitful like juicy juice, 100 proof.
Deep. Space. Soul.
I took a break from Passover to mash over the last sober drunken fist linguistics over the shoulder. Freddie Bruno the Great, always reversing the hate. Although it's rare, I try to nail a verse in only one take. But this is only like 8, and all my homies can wait, cause it's my turn. Progress at unbearable rates with the king of the breaks, ambassador of the greats. Is Deep Space picking up where others left their mistakes.
From the first day of life worth living, existence hasn't been the same, cause we got a brand new commitment with these promises. Not to live anonymous, gotta be out in the open, reppin' his living word for the fatherless. And some of y'all might understand already how heavy this burden is to be serving these kids. So we done took a sacrifice for the greater good and on. Slide to the side for the haters that'll fall.
Do you got what it takes to fly? Do you know what it's like to sing low? Do you know what it's like to fly? Do you know that it takes dimension if you wanna say that you got soul?
We some propane, flame fueling superhuman no names, proclaiming plain view, shovel cold as soul trains. Deep space rabbi, erasing your past lives, flatlining competitions, our national pastime. Sovereign state of me and mind, feeding you a peace of mind. Repeat the same sentence, the words are simply redefined. Twisting up your chromosomes, pocket yours and hold my own. Roll with an army while the rest of y'all are home alone.
You gotta have vision and make it your mission. When I'm saying these words, you don't know what you're missing. The listener's here, you can now take the role. So sit down and listen to some Deep Space soul. When I listen to rap, to get by, I fly through his sky to where the sun shines bright, to bring you a handful of light and put it in your pocket to keep you alright.
People always asking why we're so serious. The soul of a man is more than rhythm to us. We were given a trust, speak his name on a cusp. But what's fresh but feed him life till you return to the dust. We're more than earning respect, or just smashing the mic. We're not just a product with a passion of Christ. He didn't try to cut a deal, he paid asking price so that your deep space soul have everlasting life.